Alright, boys, what do we have today? We got a new toy, right? New toys. And we were driving in the driveway and then something happened, right? Yeah, I don't think that's normal, right? The ball joint gave out on this back side, as you can see right there. And the axle actually popped out right there too. Pretty messed up situation. So we're about to abandon the vehicle in the middle of the street and go pick up some new parts and try to get this thing running again. So let's go and try it out. All right, you can see I got the wheel off, and that's not good right there. It's not good at all. So we're gonna swap this ball joint out right there from this control arm, or we're gonna replace the whole control arm itself, and it should fix it. So let's go ahead and start doing that. You can see that windshield washer reservoir got cracked. What you want to do is hit this 19mm right here first. There we go. Ecotech. Go ahead and take your bracket off too. Just like that. The second one right there is a 17mm nut on that side, and for the bolt too, you just want to put a wrench on there to hold the nut from spinning. And you want to take your Allen 5 and take your sway bar link ends off, just like that. Okay, we got that control arm out. Now we're gonna try to get that axle back in there. And you want to go in reverse with everything. Put it back in there. That's the job well done so far. Try to get this thing out of my driveway. And just like that, we got that new control arm on there, and we're gonna throw this wheel on here and get this thing out of here. There we go. That's a job well done. We got all our tools on the floor. We made a mess. It wouldn't be a job like this without a mess. And they're out. Another happy customer. Thank you for watching. See y'all on the next one. Peace.